Hi guys, welcome to Colossals Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and also turn on the notification so you can get to see more videos as it's being uploaded. Alright, so today we are continuing on the series circle. So today we'll be talking about length of a chord. Now, what do we mean by length of a chord? Now, if I have a circle with this and with this triangle inside, this is my center, this angle A, this angle B. Now if this is my theta, like I'm using this example, if this is my theta, if my theta here is 100, by the time I'm dividing this theta into 2, it will be giving me what? 50. So now here that we don't add theta, so the first part will have to be theta over 2, and the second part will have to be what? Theta over 2. And we see that this divide the triangle into what? Two right angle triangle. Alright, so if the angle AOB, our angle AOB is equal to what? Theta. So our angle O is equal to theta, and our angle what? AMO, which is our angle M here, will be what? Will be sin theta divided by what? By 2 of what? AM over R. Look at this, is a right angle triangle. We have a right angle triangle here. O A. Let's no, it's not like this. This is yeah. So we have O, we have R, we have A, and what? And M. If I'm to get this angle, it will be what? Sin theta. And our sine here is what? Our theta here is what? Theta over 2. So that's what? Theta over 2 over 2 equals what? Opposite. Opposite. Your opposite is what? Is AM. Your AM over the hypotenuse, which is what? R. So your AM over what? Over R. So that's why I have AM over R here. Alright, so that's why I have AM over R in this place. So if you cross multiply, here, you are going to have what? 2 multiplied by what? AM, then R multiplied by what? Your sin theta. Alright, so if you make AM the square root of formula, which is the length that we are asked to find, if you make the length root of formula, you are going to have what? R. You are going to have R sin theta over what? Over 2, which is the same thing like our what? Our sin theta over 2. Just like you are dividing through by your what? By your R, which later become what? R sin theta over 2. And so this is the formula we are going to be using. Our AM now, our AM is what? R sin theta over 2. So for us to get the chord AB, you can see that this we have to divide it into 2. So you are going to have 2 multiplied by what? By your side AM, which is the length. And your length is what? R sin theta over what? Over 2. So whenever we are told to find the length of the chord, this is the formula we are going to be what? Applying. Alright? So we say here that the length of a chord which subtends an angle theta at the center of a circle radius r is given by what? 2r sin theta over 2. Alright, so that is the explanation on the formula for length of a chord. So I want us to see an example now. Our first example here. Now we have a question here. Now this particular question, they can tell you that find the length of a chord which subtends an angle of 100 degree. Now like I told you here, that if you have 100 if your theta is 100 here, if your theta is 100, by the time you are coming to the circle here, you have to divide it by what? By 2, which is now make what? 50 degree. Alright, so now that's why I divide this into 2 by having 50 50. Alright, so for me to get the length, it will be what? My chord AB. So my chord AB will be equal to what? Don't forget our formula is what? 2r sin what? Sin theta over what? Over 2. Alright, which is your theta is one you have divided there. So that will be what? Your 2 multiplied by what? Your r, which is what? 6 multiplied by what? Sin. Your theta that they give in the question is 100. When you divide it by 2, it's giving you what? 50. So since we've divided the question, we've divided the theta by into two parts, which is giving us 50. So that's why we have 50 here, like we did in the formula here. Alright, so 2 times 6 will be giving us 12, multiplied by our sine 50. Alright, 2 times 6 is 12. Then our sine 50 is giving us 0.7660. So this will give us 0.7660. So if you punch your calculator, sine 50 will be giving you 0.7660. And if you multiply 12 by 0.660, it will give you 9.19 centimeter. Alright, so this is the answer you are going to have for this question. So if you have any question on this particular question, don't forget the first thing you are going to do is whatever theta you are given, you have to divide it by 2. So if my theta here is 150, if my theta here is 150, the theta you are going to be using here will now become what? 75, because you are going to divide it by 2, which will give you what? 75. So this is where I'm going to stop for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and always share this video as you've always done. Thank you very much.